Hello friends, in the series on the income tax cases, today we will discuss a very important case decided by the Honorable Supreme Court. The name of the case is Central Board of Direct Taxes and Others versus Vasudeva Adijaz Fast Food Private Limited. This case has been reported in 450 ITR at page number 4. The date of the judgment is 13th July 2022. The facts of the case are very interesting, and this is a perfect example that our income tax department is a very fond of litigation. They just need litigation and they feel it very comfortable in going into the appeals without any reason. But there is a tendency that they have to appeal in every matter. In this case, the assessee was not able to file its return of income on time. There is a provision under section 119 subsection 2 clause B that the assessee can file the condonation application with the Central Board of Direct Taxes, and if the Central Board of Direct Taxes feels that it is a fit case, then it can allow the condonation. When the application was filed with the Central Board of Direct Taxes, the Central Board of Direct Taxes seeks the opinion of the jurisdictional assessing officer whether they have any objection or whether they have any viewpoint on this application. The jurisdictional assessing officer said that the condonation may be allowed. Even that recommendation was ignored and Central Board of Direct Taxes rejected the condonation application of the assessee. Because this rejection is not an appealable order, so the assessee has no option other than going into the writ petition. The assessee filed the writ petition. The reason given by the assessee for not filing the return on time was that there was a deadlock in the management, there was a dispute in the management, due to which the assessee was not able to file its return because the balance sheet was not finalized, and so the return was not filed. The High Court said that there is no prejudice to the revenue in giving condonation. The jurisdictional assessing officer do not have any objection, and the High Court directed the Central Board of Direct Taxes to reconsider the application of the assessee for condonation. But the department chooses to go into the Supreme Court against the order of the High Court. See the height of the litigation in our country. Simply because the assessee has filed the condonation application, and that for a genuine reason on which the jurisdictional assessing officer do not have any objection, on which the High Court has given its direction that this application should be allowed. So what is the point of the ego in this case? That no, we do not want to give the assessee the condonation. The assessee is not a habitual offender in not filing the return on time. When this appeal went to the Supreme Court said that there is no reason why the Supreme Court should interfere into the order of the High Court, and the Supreme Court said that in this case the facts and circumstances says that the application for condonation should be allowed, but at the same time the Supreme Court also said that this case should not be taken as precedent for the condonation applications. That is logical also, because condonation depends on the facts and circumstances of each case. It should not be allowed in a routine matter, and if the assessee has a genuine cause that why the assessee was not able to file its return of income, then the condonation application should be allowed. Friends, this is a very important case as far as the condonation under section 119 subsection 2 clause B is concerned, because nowadays a lot of hardships are there, because the time for filing the revised return or the belated return has been reduced considerably. Earlier Earlier, it was 2 years from the end of the relevant assessment year, but now the department gives only 9 months from the end of the relevant assessment year. The 9 months from the end of the relevant financial year. So, the time limit for filing the revised return or the belated return is very less. So, that's why the question of condonation arises. At the end of this video, once again I am repeating the name of the case. The name of the case is Central Board of Direct Taxes and Others versus Vasudeva Adijas Fast Food Private Limited, and this case has been reported in 450 ITR at page number 4. The matter has been decided by Supreme Court and the date of the judgment is 13th July 2022.